Bingo! Frog!
Why don't birds get electrocuted while sitting on power lines? Find out the answer during the course of this video. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. True or false? Answer: true. The largest bird of the animal kingdom, ostrich, also has the largest eye of any living land animal, which is bigger in size than its brain. The average length of an ostrich's brain is 59.26 mm and the width is 42.30 mm, while an ostrich's eyes are 2 inches, that is 5 centimeters, in diameter, that is almost of the size of a billiard ball. The ostrich needs large eyes to adapt to its terrestrial lifestyle. With its long neck and legs, an ostrich stands up to the height of 9 feet, and enjoys an excellent view over the grassland and bush. Its large eyes, with a high number of photoreceptor cells, help the ostrich to see minute details of the predators, even from great distances. Which two parts of the body, other than hairs and nails, continue to grow for your entire life? Answer: nose and ears. While the growth of most structures, that is muscles and bones of human body, stops after adolescence, our noses, earlobes and ear muscles keep getting bigger. That's because they are made mostly of cartilage cells, which divide more as we age. At the same time, connective tissue begins to weaken. Not only does cartilage grow, but the earlobes also elongate from gravity. And that makes ears look even larger. That's why aged people have larger ear and nose comparatively. Who was the first woman to travel into space? Answer: Valentina Tereshkova. On 16th of June, 1963, aboard Vostok 6, Soviet cosmonaut Valentina Tereshkova became the first woman to travel into space. After 48 orbits and 71 hours in space, she returned to Earth, having spent more time in space than all U.S. astronauts combined to that date. Tereshkova was chosen to take part in the second dual flight in the Vostok program, involving spacecrafts Vostok 5 and Vostok 6. On 14th of June, 1963, Vostok 5 was launched into space with cosmonaut Valery Bykovsky aboard. With Bykovsky still orbiting the Earth, Tereshkova was launched into space on 16th June aboard Vostok 6. The two spacecrafts had different orbits but, at one point, came within 3 miles of each other, allowing the two cosmonauts to exchange brief communications. After successfully completing the dual flight, both Bykovsky and Tereshkova re-entered the atmosphere and landed safely on 19th of June, 1963. After her historic space flight, Valentina Tereshkova received the Order of Lenin and Hero of the Soviet Union Awards. Which is the tallest land animal? The elephant or the giraffe? Answer: the giraffe. Standing between 14 and 19 feet, giraffes are the tallest land animals in the world. Most of their height is in the neck, up to 8 feet of it, but their legs can also average about 6 feet in height. Coming up second behind the giraffe, in the height competition, is the elephant, specifically the African bush elephant. Males of the species have a shoulder height of 10.5 feet to 13 feet. The bush elephant's nearest relative, the African forest elephant, reaches between 7 and 8 feet in shoulder height. Now back to the question number 1. Why don't birds get electrocuted while sitting on power lines? Answer: the reason that birds don't get electrocuted while they sit on power cables is that both the birds' feet are at the same potential, so the electricity doesn't flow through them. Secondly, the bird offers greater resistance to the electricity passing through it than the power cable, so the electricity will travel through the power cable, instead of the bird's body. Electrical current is the movement of electrons. Electricity flows when electrons travel from a place of high voltage to low voltage, just as water travels from high elevation to low elevation. When a bird is sitting on a single wire, its 2 feet are at the same electrical potential, so the electrons in the wires have no voltage difference to travel through the bird's body. No moving electrons means zero electric current. Hence the bird is safe. However, if that bird stretches out its wing, or a leg and touches a second wire, especially the one with a different electrical potential, or a grounded metal object like the electric pole, it will immediately create a voltage difference between 2 legs of the bird and open a path for the electrons to flow right through the bird's body, and the bird will get electrocuted.